Have you ever sat alone and suddenly felt an emptiness inside? That strange silence that make you reach for your phone, scroll through social media, or text someone just to feel connected? We live in a world full of noise, yet silence scares us. We have hundreds of contacts, yet we still feel lonely. But here's someone beautiful. Being alone and feeling lonely are not the same. Loneliness is when you crave company, but solitude is when you find peace in your own company. From childhood, we are taught that being alone is bad. If you are sitting alone, something must be wrong. But the truth is, some of the most peaceful moments in life happen in silence. The problem is not being alone, it's what we will tell ourselves when we are. We think, I'm loved, I'm not enough, I'm missing something. But none of that is true. You are not missing anything. You are simply meeting yourself. Loneliness is a feeling of lack, solitude is a feeling of fullness. Loneliness drains your energy, solitude refill it. When you choose to spend time with yourself, you discover a quiet strength, a strength that does not depend on others. In solitude, you don't escape the world, you return to your center. Have you noticed how we can't even sit quietly for 5 minutes anymore? We open our phone, playing music, or start scrolling because silence makes us face our thoughts, and that's uncomfortable. But silence is not your enemy, it's your teacher. It shows your what you have been avoiding. It reveals that emotion you have been hiding. It help you heal what noise keep buried. When you stop running from aloneness, something magical happen. You start to hear your own voice again. You become calmer. You stop comparing. You begin to understand what truly matters. And the most beautiful part, you stop needing constant validation because you realize your peace does not depend on someone staying or leaving. It comes from within. People who are comfortable alone are often the strongest because they don't chase people, they attract them. They don't beg for attention, they radiate peace. They know that love built on need is fragile, but love built on wholeness is real. Solitude make you independent, not cold. It teaches you to enjoy company without losing yourself. Let me tell you a secret. Learning to be alone is an art. And like every art, it takes practice. Here how you start. Step 1, disconnect to reconnect. Turn off distraction. Sit in silence every for 10 minutes a day. Let your mind wander. Breathe. Step 2, talk to yourself kindly. Replace thought like I'm alone with I'm recharging, I'm growing, I'm learning me. Step 3, do things alone. Go for a walk, have coffee, read a book, watch a sunset. When you do these things alone, you realize you are never missing anymore, just missing yourself. Silence is not empty, it's full of answer. It's where you meet your truest self without filter, without noise. In silence, you realize how strong you are. You realize how company storm you have survived. You start to trust yourself more. And when you trust yourself, you no longer fear being alone. You being to cherish it. Do you know where the world's greatest idea were born? Not in noise, but in silence. Buddha found enlightenment under a tree alone. Leonardo da Vinci created art in deep solitude. Writers, poets, thinkers all have said the same. You must be alone sometime to hear your inner voice. Solitude gave birth to creativity, wisdom, and self awareness. Here's something most people don't understand. You can't love other deeply if you don't know how to be alone. Why? Because love without independence becomes dependency. When you are comfortable with yourself, you love people freely, not fearfully. You stop clinging. You stop demanding. You simply appreciate their presence, not depend on it. So tonight, if you feel lonely, don't rush to fill the silence. Sit with it and listen. Because maybe this silence is trying to tell you something. Maybe it's saying, don't fear being alone. You are your own home. The day you learn to enjoy your own company, you stop chasing people to fill your emptiness and start attracting people who match your pace. And that, my friend, is the truly beautiful of solitude. Thanks for watching.